We are at Saga Arashiyama station and we're gonna head to Arashiyama Monkey Park. See some freaking monkeys. Why are there so many people here? I'm just trying to see some monkeys. Why are there so many people? This river is very fucking nice though. I just wish it wasn't crammed with a million people. I'm just trying to see some monkeys, you know? Hell. This is hell. Help me! Of all the places that are busy, why here? I've been to like way more popular spots, but this is the place that is insanely busy. Why? Oh yeah, Arashiyama Monkey Park closes at 4. Cool. Never show and eat food outdoors. Yeah, the monkeys will steal your food for sure. What does the ticket say? Don't stare at the monkeys in the eye. Don't touch the monkeys. Don't feed them outside. Don't take a picture on the way. Please take a distance more than 3 meters with monkeys. Oh fuck. This is somewhat nice. What if I just jump? What if I just jump right now? Joke. Cool view. Very nice view there. Behind the trees. 12 to 15 kilogram. Okay. Kinda light. I could throw a monkey. If it comes to it, I can throw the monkey down the mountain. If I have to throw hands, I can probably kill a monkey. How many monkeys can you fight at once? Realistically, how many monkeys could you beat in a fight in one time? I don't know, to be honest. Because they just swarm you. They just climb all over you. Oh, that's a big slide. Holy fuck. That's a big slide. Yo, this view is mad. This view is nuts. Holy shit. God, it's so clear. There's like nothing in the way. You can just see fucking everything. Holy. There's like a countryside over there. Loads of fields. That's the big river we walked along. Oh, there's a little monkey down there. God damn. There's Kyoto Tower. All the way over there. Damn. Oh, that monkey just did a roll or something. Holy fuck. Kyoto Tower's over there. The monkeys are secondary at this point. The view is the most important thing. What is this? A hut. Oh, you can feed them, I think. Ah, you feed them through the gates. Okay. What are they? Monkey nuts. It is literally monkey nuts. Monkey nuts are good. They're so tasty. I used to eat them all the time. I guess you could say I'm a real monkey. Yo, this little monkey's going nuts. He's chilling. What if I just start aping out and make monkey noises? Start beating my chest. Squaring up to the monkeys. This zoo just got one more monkey. Me. And I'm about to freak out. I wonder if the monkeys ever like fight the koi. Alright, let's go. You guys ready? Shortcut. Woohoo! Yo. Kind of bumpy. That was fun. Back into the friggin' cold wind. The mountain was warmer than it is down here. Bike gang. That's a nice bike. They all nodded at me because we all have GoPros. This one.
ありがとうございます。
Yeah. Which monkey do you like? Oh, he's coming over. What's up? Oh, on camera. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Cheers. I just realized there's money on the ceiling. There's money up here as well. Fish and chips right here.
JR 奈良線佐賀の大人気